Good morning. My name is Ian Cook, President of Frontier International, based here in Houston. Pleasure here to be presenting on behalf of Wolverine Oilfield Technologies, and thank you to Gibson Reports for allowing us the opportunity to present today. Yeah, I think 2020 has really taught us about the resilience of not only the oil field, but obviously the introduction of new technology as well in a very subdued market. Wolverine has obviously launched its remote series Zenith RSS, and really the attributes around that were really based on the industrial challenges that we present here today in terms of complexity, reservoir access, drilling longer, deeper horizontal wells, optimizing drilling costs on a continual basis. It's not once; it's continual. Improving reservoir recovery is ultimately the key element of this, and how drilling and obviously technology enable this. Well design and drilling practices are continually getting better, continually being optimized. Obviously, technology being a key part of that with real-time decisions, and then technology, how that really fits into and addresses these industrial challenges. And we believe that going forward that these challenges and these structural changes that we're currently seeing with reduced personnel on location, obviously more remote operations, and automation to improve not only consistency but also reliability as well, is going to be really the key differentiators moving into this new drilling norm that we'll see through 2021. Our market approach to Zenith has really been about how we address the industrial challenges with technology, and equally important is how do we address the structural changes within the OFS that we'll see with 2020 being a showcase with the pandemic, and obviously into 2021 and beyond, and how technology can address remote monitoring, remote access to wells, less POB on location, as well as more automation. Some of the key attributes and differentiators for the remote series Zenith RSS include full integration with high-speed MWD to Zenith itself, an industry first, meaning one tool which can be assembled and programmed in any facility globally, installed with no directional service personnel, and can be run remotely by expert staff if this is a true requirement. This function formed part of our first commercial run for an international oil company. Additionally, this tool can be used as an open platform for other commercially available MWD systems such as Toltec, Tensor, and APS. The next slide will give us a brief visual of the technology, highlighting the Zenith attributes and some of the product features. The Zenith RSS with integrated MWD features a field service-able bias unit with integrated azimuthal gamma, directional sensors, and bore and annulus pressure. A standard MWD battery is used for surveys, along with a downhole generator for circulating power with real-time sensors, and flow-off survey data is transmitted through a high-speed top-mount pulsar. Other sensors include near-bit AZ, gamma, and real-time inclination and AZ, enabling quick and accurate geosteering decisions. From a performance standpoint, each pad is controlled independently. Additionally, by measuring pressure under each pad, additional real-time information is provided on tool health downhole. The entire assembly is built and programmed in the shop for a true hands-free field operation, which can be picked up in a single collar and comes in a 30-foot single length. The Zenith tool completed its first commercial operation for an IOC with tremendous success. The Zenith RSS was chosen for this operation based on the geosteering requirements of the customer and its proven accuracy in field trials, platform for remote operations, and the inability for expertise to be on location during the pandemic, as well as its ability for high-speed telemetry, improving real-time well placement. The BHA included the Neutrino Ultra High-Speed MWD, the MFWPR Resistivity LWD, and Pressure During Drilling tool, and obviously the RSS. The run successfully built from 84.5 to 91.5 degrees and completed a tangent section according to the geosteering instructions from the customer. This system was able to receive downlinks without failure, with no requirement to stop drilling in order to change the steering vector. An average ROP of 52.5 foot per hour and a maximum ROP of 75 per foot per hour were achieved while drilling. In summary, if you believe these industry structural changes and the new normal for drilling operations are here to stay, then understanding and embracing new technologies such as remote series Zenith RSS will be required to enhance drilling operations globally. We believe Zenith will be a backbone for all drilling programs in the future. One well, one tool for all your remote directional needs, RSS through LWD and high-speed telemetry. Again, I'd like to thank Gibson Reports for the time and opportunity to present today. Our contact details are included for future. Please reach out to us to learn more, and thank you very much for your time today.